So today I'm going to show you how to install garden netting. If I forget to spray it 1 month or over the winter when they get really hungry, they're not going to go after the tree. So this is a bit of a more permanent solution. I've already put 2 of the 3 poles in. I'm going to protect this tree. I've been spraying it with putrefied eggs and cloves and garlic and stuff like that. It's kept everything from eating it for the time being, but if I forget to do that once a month, they're going to come and eat the whole tree. So take your 7-foot fence, put that in the ground. Basically, you can try to use your body weight and get it down. If that doesn't work, you might have a rock underneath, move the pole just a little bit, and you can take a block of wood, take like a sledgehammer, hit it, it'll send it down into the ground. So we're going to put some supports with some rope around here. We're going to use paracord. So I'm just going to go through some of the holes in the top. I'm just using a zip tie. Try not to cut this too much because I can use it elsewhere later on when I take it off. So I'm going to leave myself a couple extra feet, cut this off. Now, if you're using paracord, basically the inside will move freely from the outside. So what you want to do is just make sure that it melts a little bit so that the two are in contact with each other, and then you can roll them over. So you can see that they're in contact. Give them a second or two. Just usually roll it. Caution, you can burn yourself if this is hot. Alright. Caution, you can burn yourself on this, so let it cool a little bit before you touch it. So now we have 3 levels of paracord. Now we can put our garden fencing up around this. It'll help to keep the deer out. It's also a very It's also a very light fencing, so there's supposedly, I think, 7 foot by 100 feet of fencing worth in here, so you can imagine it's very thin. So they give you a bunch of zip ties so that you can attach the fencing to your paracord or whatever rope you're using. They also give you stakes at the bottom to help keep it in the ground, so that, I guess, rabbits and other small critters don't come in. For me, I'm more worried about the deer. So it's a good idea. Get a nice open area that doesn't have a bunch of sticks and things in the way, and you're going to unravel this. So for this, I'm going to wrap it around and get my approximate length before I cut it. And it's a good idea to have a little bit of overlap when you do this. I'm going to take a pair of scissors, cut that. You're going to get out your zip ties for this. Take this from the area that you can unravel it. Just get the stuff on everything. So the top and bottom are reinforced. I place the overlapping sections in a section that is not as easy to see. So I'd probably put that on the back side of this one. Right here. Just gonna see how it looks before I attach everything. So it's kind of hard to see, but that is the netting. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to put these ground stakes in. Now I'm going to work my way from top to bottom and from the edges in. So here I'm going to go through that reinforced section. Both of those. And if you have a very large span, you can also zip tie it, like basically anywhere where you have rope. Basically this is just trying to hold the deer back, so if they try to come in, they can't get their mouth through here, so they're just grabbing the plastic. There's some nasty smelling spray that I use that's organic. Basically it's putrefied eggs, some cloves, some garlic, and some stuff like that. It basically smells so nasty, nobody wants to eat anything on the tree, so the deer leave the leaves alone. The only problem with that is you have to spray it every month. If you forget to spray it, the tree's gone. So this is a bit of an insurance policy that if I forget to spray it one month or over the winter when they get really hungry, they're not going to go after the tree. So this is a bit of a more permanent solution. Once this tree gets, maybe it's like 10 feet tall, I don't have to keep it caged anymore. I can take all this down. Yeah, they'll get the lower branches, but effectively any of the fruit and the growth that's about 8 feet or higher, they're not going to be able to get to. Most of the trees that I see that they eat is anything about 5 or 6 feet and below. So a 7-foot fence, actually it's about 5.5 foot, will keep the deer from being able to reach it and grab this tree. So this will protect the bottom portion of the tree to allow it to grow. Well, I hope that helps. Please subscribe. Have a great day.